Welcome to the fall market. Nationwide contract signings have been at the lowest level on record as some buyers are playing the wait and see game for the fall market. It's Friday, September 6, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. While homes under contract this week are down 31% from January 2024, Maryland actually sold 7.15% more homes this August compared to last August, with days on the market rising from 7 days last August to 10 days this August, a 67% increase in time until a seller receives an offer. Right now, Maryland housing inventory has 1,197 homes coming soon, rising slightly from last week. 1,624 homes hit the market this past week, another rise of 2.6% over last report. 1,315 homes went under contract in 15 days, reflecting a lower number of contracts but consistent week-over-week days on the market before receipt of a contract. 1,357 homes sold since last week at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 12 days. This is a 21% rise in the number of homes selling from last report, but consistent week to week at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals fell off again this week to 2,444, keeping at a slightly higher median this report of $2,650 per month. That's a wrap for this week, your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, September 6th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.